Hi, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Let's give a couple of minutes for others to join.
Okay.
Hello, everyone. Once again, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How's everything? All well? Practice? About the practice?
Doing, sir.
Yes.
Good, good. I'll share my screen 1 minute.
Yeah.
Hope you can see my screen.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we discuss about the formula introduction. Then we discuss about the reference styles. No. Reference style, I think we need to discuss now, right? Dollar symbol.
No, we just discussed about the introduction, conditional, unconditional, MRF.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so tell me, let's recap whatever we discussed. So, what are the input ways? How many types?
3 types:
Mm-hmm.
manual, reference,
Reference and
formula.
Formula, great. Okay, and how many types of formulas?
3 types.
Mm-hmm. What are those?
3 types, sir.
Limited, unlimited, and no arguments.
Okay, and how can you identify that this is limited, this is unlimited?
3 dots at the end of the
We'll
formula.
observe 3 dots at the end.
Okay, and what is no argument function?
Also,
What is no argument function? No argument.
like,
Today,
so we
date.
won't observe any argument like today, now.
Correct, excellent. Yeah. And in no argument function, we have 2 types of function, volatile and non-volatile. What are those? Definition?
Volatile is keep on changing. So whenever you open the Excel sheet, the input, the information will keep on changing, like date or time.
Mm-hmm.
And non-volatile is
It's a constant,
it's
value is
constant,
constant.
like pi.
Exactly. Yes. Excellent. Okay, good. So now let's move to the reference styles. In reference styles, we have 3 types of reference styles: relative, absolute, and mixed reference. I'll not teach you now all the theoretical part, but first let me explain you the practical part, and then we will come back to this theoretical part. Okay. So let's discuss this one. Net salary. Suresh, Kaveri, Sai, Venkat, Ramesh, Deepak, and their basic salary are this: HRA and deductions. I want to calculate their net salary. Net salary will be equal symbol plus basic salary plus
HRA plus
HRA minus deductions.
minus
Right?
deductions.
Total is 57,000. If I want to drag it down, I can drag it down. But what if I will put the formula here? This equal to this plus HRA minus deductions. Suresh 57,000, Ramesh 57,000. Is it correct?
No.
Why?
You take the reference of Suresh, but you didn't take the reference of Ramesh.
Exactly. Means this data set, nothing but the 60,000 is related to Suresh, 12,000 is related to Suresh, reduction is related to Suresh. This 36,000 related to Ramesh, 18 to Ramesh, 9 to Ramesh. But what formula I applied there? It's taking reference from this, right? That is wrong, right? So it means if I drag this formula down, now it is correct. And how can I check the formula? Which key I need to press? Function key?
F2.
F2. I can press F2 key here. Can you see here? All the formulas. If I look at here, F2, this plus this minus this, nothing but if you look at the color combination also. Blue color, this cell, red color, this cell, and this is purple, nothing but this. It means there is no dollar symbol. Means data is related to this person, this row. Data related to this person, this row. Means relative reference, relative reference. In relative reference, there would be no dollar symbol. Depends on line to line and depends on person to person. That's what it's working. There's no dollar symbol. Can you see any dollar symbol in the formula
No.
here? No, right? But look at here. This is called your relative reference without dollar symbol. It means related to the particular item, particular person, particular company, particular XYZ things. Okay? Now look at here. Look at here. Let's suppose you are in DMart and some flat 10% discount is going on each and every line item, on each and every product. Okay. So how can I get the 10% of this? It will be 5,000 here, right? 3,000, 2713, 8544, 6708, right? I want to calculate 10% of this. This multiply by 10%. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. And hope everyone is clear, like we are calling it as a asterisk, right? So this asterisk we are using for
Multiplication.
clear. This symbol we are using for division, addition, and subtraction. Hope everyone is clear on this.
Yes.
So now 10% I want to calculate on 50,000. 50,000 multiply by 10%. Done. If I drag it down, see 5,000 is working fine, but if I look at or if I put my cursor on the 0, what is the reference? Blue color highlighted cell is correct or not correct? Blue color highlighted.
Blue is correct. Red is not correct.
Not correct. Okay. Same thing here. Tell me which color is fine. Blue is correct.
Yes.
Red is not correct, right? It means here it should be multiplied by 10%, working fine. Here should be multiplied by 10%, but cell reference taking this reference, that is L9, that is L10 is correct. If I'm putting my cursor here, this is correct, but this is not correct because everywhere it has to be multiplied by 10%. Yes or no?
Yes.
Every time it has to be multiplied by 10%. It means that cell, what is cell number?
L9.
L9 has to be freezed. L9 has to be freezed. I'll put my cursor here. Let me say multiply by this. Once I multiply by this, I will press F4 key. F4 key, we are using it in order to freeze the cell. In order to freeze the cell. In few of the laptops, F4 key alone will not work. F4 key alone will not work in few of the laptops. In that case, what you can do is you can press F1 plus F4. F1 plus F4. Okay.
Okay.
F1 plus F4. So let me use, in my laptop, it's working F4 directly. I'll use F4 key. The moment I hit F4 key, can you see any dollar symbol?
Yes.
Before L, before 9. What is L? L is the column. What is 9?
Row.
9 is row. It means before L, before 9. It means both has been freezed. Nothing but column has been freezed and row also has been freezed. If both the side you see the dollar symbol, it means it is a absolute reference style. Which reference style?
Absolute.
Absolute reference style. I have freezed this L9 and drag it down. Now L9 has been freezed. Now you see the correct result. Can you see everywhere 10% discount calculated? Yes, no?
Yes.
Excellent. Now net price. Net price will be MRP minus discount.
Discount.
Yeah, drag it down. Now tell me, this is which reference style? This one, this one. Tell me. I'm talking about this 45,000. Which reference style?
Relative reference.
Exactly, because I do not see dollar symbol. This one,
Absolute.
Absolute.
absolute reference. If I talk about absolute reference applied where? K12 or L9? Where?
L9.
L9. K12, K12, there is no reference. This is called relative reference. This is called absolute
Absolute.
reference. Okay. Same thing. If I write like this, dollar L9, tell me which has been freezed, row or column?
Only column.
Only column. It means column freeze, yes or no? This is called column freeze or row freeze. This one. I'm simply asking, if dollar symbol is applied before column, it means column freeze. If dollar symbol is applied before row, what is 9?
Row.
Row number.
This is row freeze. This is column freeze. This is row freeze. This is both the side. If both the side you see dollar symbol, that is called absolute freeze. Absolute. K12 is relative. This is called column freeze. This is called row freeze. Done? Are you clear on the 4? Yeah. Now let's look at this. I want to create a table of 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 5 numbers. Nothing but 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. That I want to create. Nothing but if I will create 2 table here, 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table. 2 table, nothing but 2 table means 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 3, 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 5. Correct? In this case, 3 multiplied by 2, 3 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 4. Same case, 4 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 2, right? This case. What I will do, I'll press equal symbol. This number multiply by 2. If I drag it down, 4, 12, 48 to 40, wrong. Why? Because if I check the formula, this number multiplied by this correct. But how about this?
It's not freezed.
Blue is correct, but red is not correct. Yes or no? Blue is correct, but red is not color. Red color cell is not correct. Yes or no?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Every time it has to multiply by this 2 only, right?
Yes.
Here I'm multiplying P12, P13, P14, P15. What is common? P12, P13, P14, P15. What is common?
P column.
P.
P is common. So I have to freeze P. It means I can put the dollar symbol here manually like this. Or what I'll do, I'll select this P12 and then I'll press F4.
F4 key.
I do not want this freeze. I want to freeze only P. I press one time F4 key. It is giving me $2 symbol. If I'm giving again one more time F4 key, now what has been freezed? 12 has been freezed. I will say one more time F4. Now which has been freezed? P has been freezed. That is my requirement. Yes or no?
Yes.
So it means this is correct. Now I want to freeze this 2 also. In this case, I'm multiplying this number multiplied by this. In this case, I'll multiply this number multiplied by this. Nothing but R11. Here it will be S11, T11. What is common? R, Q11, R11, S11, T11. What is common?
11.
11 is column. I will freeze 11 here. I can put my cursor here. I can put dollar symbol before 11 like this, or I can simply select this. I can apply F4 key. This is not my requirement. This is my requirement. Again, I will press one more time F4 key. See what happens if I press F4 key. One time, dollar symbol. Again, one more time, dollar symbol here. Again, one more time, dollar symbol here. Again, one more time, no dollar symbol. It means I want this one. Done. Now you drag it down. Now check any cell. 16. Check it here. F2. This multiply by this perfectly fine. Now this multiply by this perfectly fine. This one working fine. This one working fine. Let me explain you one more time this exercise. Equal symbol, this multiply by this. P12, P13, P14, P15. What is common? P. I will phrase this P, F4. Okay, done. Drag it down. This is working fine because every time multiplying by this working fine. But let me control R this. Just check this. This multiply by this is working fine. Now this not working fine, right? It means this 3 also has to be freeze. It means here I am multiplying Q11. Here it is R11. Here it is S11, T11. It means what is common? 11 is common.
11.
Freeze 11. F4 key, F4 key, done. Control D, Control R. Now you tell me which freeze type it is. Highlighted cell, tell me. Which freeze type it is?
Column freeze.
Exactly. How about the next one? This one.
Row freeze.
Because dollar symbol is before row. Good. Okay. Are we good on this?
Yes.
So now let's
Yes,
discuss
sir.
this. Now let's discuss this theoretical part. First of all, do not remember how many times, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, no time. No, do not remember this. Whatever is the requirement, accordingly press F4 key. Okay. Do not remember this. Okay, 1 time, this dollar symbol, 2 time, this type, 3rd time, this type. No, don't remember. Don't give stress to your mind. Just check it once. Apply F4 key. What is the requirement? This is my requirement. Stop there only. Okay. Relative reference. Absolute, mixed reference. In mixed reference, we'll have two: row freeze, column freeze. Relative reference means no dollar symbol. Example this. Okay. Absolute means $2 symbol. Example this. Mixed reference, row freeze. Row will be freeze like this before 1. Column freeze, it will be before A. Column freeze. Which key is to use? F4 key. Done. Are we good?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, now if you are clear on these two, half of the job is done. Now, the only thing is we need to read the syntax. That's it. And after reading the syntax, whatever is the requirement is there, you can insert the formula. Guys, can you please go on mute if you're not speaking, please?
Excuse me, sir. This is
Yes.
Bhargav.
Yes,
Sir,
yes,
I
tell
have
me.
one doubt, sir. In my key, you have said to press the F4, but in
Mhm.
my key, you are showing the F4 and another option in F4 key. So I am unable to press the F4 properly, sir. Is there any another option to press the F4 key?
F4 key is not working, then you can use Fn plus F4. Fn is nearby your control key. Can you see that?
Okay. Control
Press
V.
together Fn and F4 together. Then it will work fine.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, now text. Text means we'll be discussing all the formulas based on text. Based on text. Example here. I have Microsoft and Excel. Okay. And I want to see a result like this. Earlier we discussed about like we were, segregating the names like Miller, John. Then we're segregating the Miller in different column, John in different column with the help of With the help of
Delimiters.
delimiters or with the help of this. What is that?
Controlling.
What is that? Flash fill. Yes or
Flash
no?
fill. Yes, sir.
So we use flash fill or we use text to column, right? And how many of you are good now in flash fill and text to column? Did we ever practice, by the way? Practice, not practice.
I'm good at dealing that,
Practicing.
sir.
Good. Guys, again, I'm repeating myself. Now onwards, if you are working professionals, all the classes are very important. Oh, because we are now in formula section. Now there will be formula after this. In the formula, again, we'll be having VLOOKUP. That is also important. VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, offset match, index match. After this, pivot tables and charts. All are very important. Mostly in our day-to-day work, we are using formulas plus pivot tables plus charts. It's up to you. If you're missing any class, it's your loss. Although you can also watch the video, but live class is always good compared to recorded class. Because you can ask then and there any questions if you have. And if you will not practice, tomorrow if you're asking me the question, sir, yesterday I missed the class, I don't know what is the reference styles. Then please, sorry, I cannot explain because yesterday I did not join the class. But if you have watched the video, still fine, I can explain you one more time. But my recommendation is do not miss any class. In case an emergency, if you're missing any class, yes, please go through with the video first and then ask the questions. Good? Yes, all
Yes,
set?
yes.
Are you all on the same page?
Yes, sir.
Page number? Page number. See, you don't know your page number also today. Forgotten already, right? Today, which class?
Page number 11.
11, sir.
11, sir.
11.
Page number 11. Okay. Good. Okay. So, by the way, what is my requirement here? Earlier, we were segregating the two separate words with the help of delimiters, but here I am going to concat, merge. I am going to merge two words in single cell. Vice versa, right? It's vice versa. Here I'll write this function concatenate. Concatenate. First of all, we are not supposed to write entire spelling of the formula. See, if I write concatenate CONCATENATE, it will take time, right? Then again, I'll start with open parenthesis like this. Instead of that, what you can do is start writing your formula. Sorry, concat. Now, where it is available here. Go to that particular formula and hit a tab key. See how many words I have typed here? How many alphabets I have typed here? Only 3 alphabets, yes or no?
3.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes.
go to that particular formula. Now I want to write concatenate. I am going on concatenate and then I'll hit tab key. Only simple tab key, done. The moment I hit tab key, automatically it has taken the complete spelling of the formula along with parenthesis. Along with parenthesis. It will save your time. It will save your time. Now, tell me, limited, unlimited.
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 Now, for next 5 to 7 days, ask these 3 questions to yourself before writing any function. Once you write any formula, see the syntax, text 1, comma, text 2. Limited, unlimited, unlimited. Okay. How many arguments? Unlimited arguments. Okay. How many arguments are mandatory? One is mandatory. Okay. Text 1. Text 1 is what? Text 1 is this. After text 1, what is asking? A comma,
Comma.
right? With a comma, put a comma. Now, where is my cursor?
Text 2.
Text 2, text 2, text 2 is this. Okay, close. Microsoft Excel, but I see one challenge here. What is the challenge? What is the
Space.
issue here? Space is not available. Space is not available, right? And how we write the space by the way? The space will be like this. Or no? The space available in the cell? Yes?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, let's go back to formula introduction. And I told you this thing, text, string text formatted, alphanumeric. I fetch this micro, manual written. If it is manual written, then it has to be in
Alphabets.
double quotes,
Double
right?
quotes.
Double quotes.
Exactly. Remember this, guys, very, very important. If you're writing any text within the formula, the text should be in double quote. Always remember, okay? Now tell me, space is considered as a number or as a text? Space.
Text.
Text only, right? Can I write text like this? Double quote, space, double quote. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Why am I applying double quote?
It's a manually entered.
Exactly, because space is a text, and text, if you're writing manually, then it should be entered as in a double quote. Yes or no? Yeah. So now there are three. There are three texts. Text one is what? Microsoft. Second text is what? Space. Third
Space.
text is what? Excel. Yeah. I will go there after this comma. I will go there, and I want to add space. Can I write a space like this? Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes.
My first text is this. After this, it is asking me put a comma. I put a comma there. Then text two. Text two is what? Space. I have to take
Space.
a space there. Then after this, put a comma. I put a comma there. Then D3 nothing but text three is this. Done. Now see the result. Clear? Yeah.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now from 2016 onwards, 2016 Excel version onwards, we have a short form of concatenate. The short form is, okay, before that, let me tell you one, let me take few words. Nowadays, whenever we are going to any place or we are talking with our friends, right? We are using going to, okay? We are going to temple, okay? We are going to college, we are going to school, we're going to institute, right? So going to short form gonna, GONNA gonna, right? You're using it, correct? I want to take tea. I want to take coffee. I want to take bath. I want to take your pen. I want to take a glass of water, right? Wanna, right? We're calling in short form. So like restaurant, right? Let's go to restaurant. We're calling it as a restaurant instead of restaurant. Short forms. Same with the concatenate also. They have given us short form as concat. The name is concat. This concat formula is available from 2016 Excel onwards. Okay. So instead of concatenate, I can also use concat. Can you see? It's available there.
Yeah.
Choose it, hit a tab. Text one is this, comma. Text two is what? Space, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
After
Yes, sir.
putting comma, text two is space. Yes, comma. Text three is this. Done. If I change this to, let's suppose if I'm changing this to Excel VBA. Can you see here Excel VBA? Because I have put the formula there,
Yes.
right? If I say Microsoft and Excel, done. We discussed about concatenate. We discussed about concat. There is one more thing. अपने बचपन में ऐसा लिखते थे अपन राम एंड श्याम लिखते थे ना टोनू एंड मोनू याद है किसी को लिखते थे ना अपन ऐसा, राम एंड श्याम, टोनू एंड मोनू, सोनू एंड टोनू,
Yes, sir.
गोलू एंड मोलू, जो भी कुछ नाम था लिखते थे ना.
Rhyming.
Yes.
We used to write, we used to use and symbol here, right? Same thing, we can also use and symbol in order to concat two different string, two different text. Okay, let me use Microsoft this ampersand. This is called ampersand, right? And Excel. What is that? Can you see here? But again, one issue is there. What is that?
Space.
Space.
There is
So
no space.
first- there's no space. So after C3, I want to merge with space, right? C3 and space.
Yeah.
C3 and space. Let me apply space. C3 and space. C3 and space, and after space,
Comma. Okay.
no comma. After space, third one, third text is this. Now you see the result. See, if I'm not using directly, if I'm using this Microsoft and Excel, but after Microsoft, what I want to give space, right? C3 and space and this name. Clear? Now it is clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Three ways to concat the things. Okay. Practice on it. Okay. Now,
Sir, what is the difference between both formulas, sir? Both are same showing.
no difference in the formula.
Okay.
You can use concatenate, you can use concat, you can use conco. Ampersand as well. Yeah. Now tell
Thank you,
me,
sir.
I want to write here Microsoft comma Excel. How can I write that? Here it is showing Microsoft space Excel. Here I want to write Microsoft comma Excel.
Instead
No
of
space.
space,
No
you have to keep comma there.
And that I want to use with the concat text one is this comma. Tell me.
That comma should be placed between two hyphens, double quotes.
Exactly, because this time I'm not using space, I'm using comma, right?
Yes.
Yes. Comma this. See here. Can you see the comma there?
Yes.
See the comma here. Good. Okay, now tell me, I want to write Microsoft underscore Excel. In that case,
Microsoft,
Mhm.
that cell and comma, double quotes,
Okay, Microsoft comma, okay, double quote, then
Underscore,
underscore.
underscore, double quotes,
double quote, comma,
comma, that's it.
Excel.
Excel.
Exactly. See guys, we are not remembering the formula, right? We are just following the syntax, yes or no?
Yes.
That's what we need to do. Never ever remember any function. Just go with the syntax, that's it. And if you're clear with the syntax, then you can write any of the formula. Done. Now, left, right, mid. Left, right, and mid. Okay. So let me use from this word, I want to take Microsoft. Left hand side, Microsoft, Excel is in middle, and VBA is right hand side. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, I sent a message. Yeah, let's go ahead. So left means I will use left function here, left of left hand side, text, comma, number, character. Text, what is your text? Text is this. After text, what I need to apply?
Number character.
Number.
No, before this something is there.
Comma.
Comma.
Number, character. Tell me, Microsoft, how many characters? Count it manually and tell me.
3, 5,
Three.
6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
Microsoft, guys, why 3?
11, sir.
9, sir.
I am saying about why 11, guys? Why are you getting confused?
9.
Microsoft
9.
9.
9 only, right? 9 characters from left hand side. Yes, done. What if, okay, tell me if I'm writing this left function, how many arguments? Tell me fast, quick.
Two
How many
arguments.
arguments?
Two arguments.
2.
How many mandatory?
1.
One.
What if I'm not giving the next one? What will be my result? If I'm taking only text and this close, that's it. Tell me the result of this. By
Microsoft
default,
Excel VBA.
no. If I'm not giving this number character, left hand side, it will pick only first character from the left hand side. Result will be M. Result will be 1 minute. B. This is
So
B.
B1.
B13.
This is B13, right? See, M. But as per my requirement is I want to take Microsoft. Then I will go with the optional one. Yes. Number 9. Result will be Microsoft. You got the logic now? Optional and mandatory.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I want to take VBA. Which function I'll apply?
Right.
How many arguments?
2 arguments.
How many mandatory?
1 mandate.
1.
Okay, if I'm not giving mandatory, if I'm not giving the optional argument, by default result will be
A.
exactly A. Yes. If I'm giving as per my requirement, I want to fetch VBA. How many characters?
3.
3. I'll give 3. Result VBA. Done. Now mid function. Mid. How many arguments?
3.
3.
Guys, few people they will get confused that why 3. I'm saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I already mentioned that never ever go with underscore, nothing. Only you have to
Comma.
segregate between commas. Excellent. So text comma, this is 1. Start number 2, comma,
3.
number character 3. Three arguments are there. My text is this. After text, I need to apply comma, done. Now start number. Now I want to type Excel. Tell me, E starting with which
11.
number from left hand side?
11.
Microsoft
11.
9. Yeah.
11.
Space is 10 and E is 11 number. Start number is 11, comma. Number character. I want to take only Excel. How many alphabets in Excel? EXEL
6.
5.
6.
5.
5.
5.
Okay, tell me how many of you are still confused with number 11, number 5? Tell me now only. Don't tell me tomorrow or day after that, sir, I'm confused with 11 and 5. Tell me now only so that I can clear. How many of you are still confused with why 11, why 5? Ask me now only. I'll explain one more time. Don't tell me this thing tomorrow, day after that, sir, I'm not confused. I'm confused with 11 and 5. Why we are taking 11 and 5?
Sir, please repeat.
Sure. See, text is this taken after text, after this comma, start number. I want to take mid value, nothing but Excel I want to fetch. Now start number. Okay, you need to tell the system that from where you want to take a middle text. My middle text is starting with E. Starting with E, capital E. If you count this E from left hand side, always remember that we need to count from left hand side. M1, I2, C3, R is 4, O is 5, S is 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to T9. Space also will be counted. Again, I am repeating myself. Space will be also counted. Space is 10, E is 11. Starting with 11, start number 11, comma. Number character. I want to take Excel. EXCEL, Excel. How many characters? 5 characters.
5.
5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5. 5 Are we good on this?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
if we have 4 words, sir, is it any formula? 4
Sorry?
words. 4 words.
We have formula, but that will not discuss now. We'll discuss here. I'll
Okay,
also tell
thank
you
you.
this.
Okay, sir.
I don't want to make you confused here. So here I'll tell you in detail, left, right, mid. But as of now, you need to practice on this thing only, left, right, mid only. Okay. You might have question that, okay, sir, this time you are telling me 9, but what if I have other name wherein I have to type in, let's suppose, Excel VBA macros, then that time it has to be number. Excel means 5. It has to be changed 5 here, right? Everything we'll discuss, okay? But not now. Okay. Tell me, how many alphabets?
2, 4, 5.
5.
Now,
We can't say.
Unlimited.
this is not unlimited. This is limited only, right? Can you see three
Limit.
dots?
But we can't count it as
Can't see,
well.
sir.
We can count it, but it will take some time, right?
Yes.
Still, I can count it. I can put my cursor here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Time
9.
taking.
Time taking activity, right? What if I can use this function length and then len. Length से बनाए len.
Yeah.
Len of this 28.
28 alphabets.
Exactly, yes. So len command we can use in order to count the length of the text. Length of the text, length of the number. Done. Now, tell me if I write EX, or let me write ABC. ABC. This equal to this. Result is true. ABC is equal to ABC. Yes.
True.
If I write 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, drag it down, true only. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Result will be
True.
Result is true. What if I write A, B, C, A, B, C? Result will be
True.
Result is why false?
Do you apply any space?
Yes, good question. Did you apply any space? Yeah. Let me take you this example. How can I know the length of the text? This function?
Len.
Len of this is 4. Len of this is equal to? Yes, there is a space available. There is a
Yes.
space available here. If you put the cursor here, can you see the space
Yes.
Yes, sir.
here?
No.
No.
That's what showing me false. Okay, one thing, let me tell you one thing. If I'm writing a name like this, Ravi space Kumar. Ravi, 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. Tell me which name is correct to write, this or this way?
First one.
First
Ravi.
one.
First one. Remember one thing. Whenever you are writing a name, first name, last name, of course, we need to give a space. Yeah, that's correct only because mandatory space will be there, 1 space. But how about this? There should be no more spaces more than 1. If I remove unnecessary space, trim, which function I will use?
Trim.
Trim function. I'll use trim function. Text is this. Can you see? Only I see 1 space available. How about this? If I apply trim function here, tell me result of this will be?
Same.
Same, because
We don't have
trim
any unnecessary
function,
space.
yeah, trim function will not remove the mandatory space because Ravi space Kumar, that's correct only because there should be one space should be there. Same, but here I have more than one space. That is not required. That's what it has removed now. Unnecessary space. If you want to confirm it, I can prove it. How can I prove it? Len of this is same. Correct? Good?
Yes.
Good to know? Okay. Len command is done. Now, now upper lower proper. Upper lower proper. What is upper lower proper is we are writing names like this. If I'm writing A, B, C, A, not ABC, let me take another example. M-I-double-L-E-R Miller, M-I-double-L-E-R Miller, M-I-double-L-E-R. Which case it is?
Uppercase.
That is upper.
This one?
Lowercase.
Lower.
This is
Proper.
Proper.
proper case. Upper, lower, proper. If I want to take from this VBA or from, let's suppose, let me write anything. Here itself, okay. I want to take upper of this. Result is Miller. Lower of this. Proper of this. Proper of this. Proper means first
character
alphabet
is
will be capital.
capital.
Upper, lower, proper. Now from this name, I want to remove unnecessary space and I want to make it a proper case. Means how many function I'll use?
2.
2. First is
Trim.
trim, second is
Upper. Sorry, proper.
proper. So what you can do is let me first use this word trim. Trim I will use because I need to remove the
Extra space.
unnecessary space. Removed? Yes or no? Then I will apply one more function here. The function name is proper. Which function?
Proper.
Proper of this. Result is this. Instead of applying two function in two different cells, can I apply like this trim of this? Done. Then again here I'll apply one more function that is called proper. Type in proper, go to proper, hit tab key. When you hit tab key, automatically it will take the parenthesis start. This parenthesis closed for this because red color matching. This parenthesis is open but not closed yet, right? That we have to close it. Go in the last and close parenthesis. Same result. Here apply trim function first, then apply it proper. Here what I have done? Both together. Done? All set? Next is substitute functions. Substitute. What is substitute function? You might have heard in IPL matches or in T20 or in, one international matches, World Cup. Mostly in IPL matches, right? Ishan Kishan has been replaced with this player, or KL Rahul is the substitute player of Ishan Kishan, or Rinku Singh is a substitute player of KL Rahul, right? Substitute player, right? On the place of, replace, yes or no?
Yes.
So let's suppose I want to replace this O. How many times do you see O in this sentence, in this complete word?
2 times.
2 times. How many times?
2 times.
2 times. Let me write this function. Function name is substitute. Tell me how many arguments? Limited and limited.
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 Limited. How many arguments?
3.
3.
Guys,
4,
please
4, sir.
take your time.
4, sir. 4.
How many mandatory?
3.
3.
So always remember or always ask these 3 questions to yourself first whenever you're writing the formula. Text. What is text? Text is this.
Microsoft Excel.
After text, put a comma. What is all text? I want to replace O with E. I want to replace
Oh,
O with E. O, I will replace O, comma. What is new text? E. Is it okay to write like this, O and E?
No, sir.
Double quotes are used.
Exactly, because O is the text, right? It
The
has to
space
be
is
double
there.
quote. Double quote. New text is what?
E,
E.
double quote.
E.
Double
quote.
code. Double.
Now, the next, if I put a comma, it is going into the last one. Last one is the optional one, right? And if I'm not giving optional, if I'm closing parenthesis here itself, result will be, see, O has been replaced with
E.
E. Then you get a question. No, sir, I do not want to change the first O. I want to change the second O. Where is second O? After
Soft.
S. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
It means first instance, where is first instance O? This one, yes or no?
After.
First instance, second instance is this, yes or no? First instance, first O is coming here. First instance, first O. Second instance, second O, right? Instance. So what is my requirement? My requirement is you have to change the second O, nothing but second instance. Which instance? Number? Second instance. Now go there, put a comma. What is that last argument?
Instance number.
Which instance you want to change? First or second?
Second instance.
Put a second, number 2 there, hit OK. Do you see that? If I'm not giving instance number, everywhere it will be changed. If I'm giving instance number, then it will be changed to the particular instance. What if I will change this to instance number 1? Tell me result of this.
It will change only at micro. not
Correct.
at-
MICRE. See here, not the second instance. First instance got changed. Any questions? Anyone? Now you got the logic. What is optional? What is mandatory? If I'm not giving optional, by default, it will be changing everywhere. If I'm giving instance number defined 1, then first it will change to first place. If I'm not if I'm changing it to second place, it will be changing second one. Clear?
Sir,
Hmm.
if I want to insert in first and fourth, how it will be, sir?
First and
Fourth instance.
in the first and fourth instance, right?
Yeah.
Let's suppose I have some name. Name is like this. Control C. Okay. Now in this case, I'll have 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? And you are telling me
First and fourth. Fourth.
this one, comma, all text is O, new text is E, comma. First and I want to apply here like this. First and fourth. First and fourth, we can write it like this. Which bracket it is? Curly
Flower.
bracket. Curly bracket. Curly bracket. Instance number 1, comma 4. Curly bracket close. Close parenthesis. This is the original value. This is your Is it getting changed? Not getting changed. Not getting changed. 1 minute. 1 minute.
No, it should be
1 minute. First instance is okay, it's getting changed only first instance. First instance is done. Then second instance also you want to change, right? Again apply substitute. Go in the last comma. Old text is O. New text is E. Instance number 4. Close parenthesis. नहीं हुआ क्या? Substitute, okay, OE1, then again OE and 4. OE1, OE4. Okay. Now, first instance is this O changed. Fourth instance is this one. Not getting changed, right?
in soft, it is fourth one, sir. Microsoft.
यहाँ पे होना चाहिए, right? It has to change here.
Right.
It's not getting changed.
Yeah, it's not changing, sir.
1 minute. Microsoft. Okay, first instance change. Then now what will it will be checking it. Now इसके result में अभी ये file write it one more time, right? Fourth will be, see this is the result, right? अब इस result में मेरे को देखना है कि fourth instance कहाँ पे है? इसमें fourth instance है ही नहीं. Tell me. Can you see the 4O?
No, 3.
हाँ, इसमें कितना है अभी? 1, 2 and 3. तो अपने को ये वाला चेंज करना है, राइट? टोटल इंस्टेंस कितने हैं इसमें? अभी 3 है ना टोटल, राइट?
3.
हाँ, so it has to be, हाँ, now it has to be substitute
4.
comma O comma E comma E. Got it? अभी चेंज हो जाएगा, दिख रहा है अभी रिजल्ट?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Done. Now tell me this. If I write substitute text is this, comma E. Result will be?
Nothing will get changed.
Nothing will get changed, yes. Why?
We kept capital O, and in our text we don't have capital O.
Yes, nothing will change because I have given the capital O and capital is not there, right? It means substitute function is a
Same letter.
case sensitive. So case sensitive. If I change this capital O to small o, it's working fine. But if I'm changing this capital O to capital, it's not working because substitute function is a case sensitive. Remember this. Okay, I want to write name like this. North underscore zone, south underscore region, south underscore zone. This is my requirement. Tell me. Okay, let me do this way so that you will understand it better. This is what I want to write. What is the difference between this and this? Tell me first. These two difference.
Underscore.
Underscore.
Underscore. It means what I'm gonna change?
You have to keep underscore between.
I have to change space to underscore. Yes or no? Can I write substitute? My text is this. What is all text?
Space.
Space. What is new text?
Underscore.
Underscore. Done. Done. Now I want to change this region to zone. Can I take it?
Mhm.
Substitute. All text is this. All the text is what?
Region.
New text is what?
Zone.
ZONE. Done. Yeah. Now, let's suppose these are some car numbers. Registered in 2014 in the month of March or May, month of May. Or Telangana formation day is 6th June or 2nd June?
2nd June.
2nd June.
2nd June. So last week of the May, few person they took the car. That time it used to be AP number, right? Later they got notice and they were asked to change their card number registration into TS. Example. This is a card number AP 10 IN 1234, AP 10 IN 12345, AP 37 AP. This is again a series. This is series. This is a state. Now, if I change this to, let's suppose, with the help of replace, all text is this. Start number. Tell me, start number will be?
AP.
AP.
So A, start with A. Number will be?
1.
1.
One. Number character. Because AP I want to change, right? AP, 2 character, comma. New text will be?
Yes.
Done?
Sir.
It means difference between substitute and replace is nothing but substitute is a text string, okay, wherein replace is a position specific. See, I just changed this region to zone. Directly I write everything region and then type in zone, right? Here I'm just changing TS to AP to TS, position specific. And also, if you look at here, if I write here replace, if I change all text, start number, number character, new text, all text is what?
AP.
My all text is this. Okay. In this, I want to change O. I want to change O. Start number, count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start number 5, comma, number character 1, comma, new character is E. Did it ask you for the instance number? Or can I do the complete O replace with E? No, right? See, only one O change with E, not the second one. And it is not asking me to change the complete instance number or second, first, whatever instance number, but it is only asking me one by one which instance number. It is asking me start number, and it's not a position specific also. All text is this, start number 5, comma 1, right, comma. Did it ask you like capital O, small o? No, right? Guys, what I'm saying, what I'm asking is, did it ask for the capital or small o here? No, right? Directly starting with 5 number character 1, nothing but fifth place में जो भी है यहाँ पे इसको change कर दो, change किस में कर दो, E में कर दो change, that's it. But it is only getting changed on one place change. This O has been changed with E, but how about second one? No, right? It means replace is not a case sensitive. Replace is position specific, wherein replace cannot change a complete text string. If you are changing the text string, then go with substitute function. Easy to go, easy to understand. Substitute. Okay, tell me now this. One example. Uh, at least. Oh, what was that? Another word? Okay. Here I want to remove the space. How can I remove the space?
Remove, but it works only if we have unnecessary space.
If I ask the system, do you think that if I apply trim function here, it will remove this space? Do you think? No. No. Here, no. Then how can I remove the space with nothing? Space with nothing, but result should be like this at least.
Replace space with
Concatenate.
Substitute text is this, comma, what is all text?
space.
Space. What is new text?
Nothing.
Nothing. This is nothing. Double quote is nothing. Right? Remember this. Double quote, nothing. Comma. Instance number nothing. Done. Done?
Sir, I have one question. Instead of replace function, can we use control H?
Control
H.
Control H भी कर सकते, right? Because I can see Control H to this cell. I can say replace, find what? Find space, replace with nothing.
But it
Replace.
applies to all.
No. All means what? I'm selecting only on this cell. That's it.
No.
Do not say next. Only put the cursor here. Let me put it here. 1 minute. Where is my cursor now?
P51.
Control H. Find what? Space. Replace with nothing. If you say replace all, wherever you have space, it will replace all. But no, I will go with only replace. Single time replace. Done. Job is complete. Now can you check here? Don't say next. Okay. This function is very important. Text function. Let me take you text function. Example this. Earlier also we discussed about this. I want to make this number in a 6-digit employee ID. How many digit? 6-digit employee ID. It means how many zeros I need to add here?
6 zeros.
Here, guys, here. 3. Next one.
2 zeros.
Next one.
1.
Next one.
2.
2.
If you have these kind of data set with you in a one column, and if your boss is asking, can you please make this number to 6 digit? How will you add? One by one you will add. First of all, if you add the 0 here, right? If I add zeros in beginning, accepted. 1, 2, not accepted. Then how can I change? How can I add zeros? First need to change your text. Again, you have to go there. You need to add 0, 0, 0, 1. Again, you need to add here 0, 0. Again, you need to add 1, 0. You need to add 2 zeros. Don't you think it will take time?
Yeah.
How can I do that? We already have discussed it, right, in the previous classes.
We have to go in the number formulas.
Custom format.
Special. Yes, yes.
Custom 0, apply 6 zeros, hit okay. That's it. Added. Custom format, we tried it already, right? Control 1, go to custom and put 6 zeros there. That's it. Job is done. Same thing I can also do with the help of which function?
That's
Value is this. Format text. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any question? Now you tell me. Now you tell me. I have helped you with this. I have made it to 6 digit. Now you need to tell me how can I add? How can I get output like this from this column to this column? Like from this column, I want to get output like this. Nothing but it has to add it with E and then 6-digit number. E 6-digit number. E 6-digit number. Tell me.
you can keep E and 3 zeros.
E is okay like this.
E date.
Tell me. See, I can add E here. E, capital E, double quote and ampersand and this number. And how I got this number? Which function I use? Text function. So let me use capital E. Why double quote capital E?
Manually entered.
The text only. And which function I use? Text function. Value is this. It should be in how many digit? Single go. If you want to write 2 times, apply text function first, apply E here. Then if you want to go in single shot, then apply this function. Done. Any question?
If I want to apply E at the end,
If you want to apply E in the end, then tell me guys.
first you have to convert it.
Text this, comma, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, comma, closed, and
E.
E. Done?
Yeah.
Okay. This text function, let me open, let me explain here only. I have few dates. Dates are like, okay, can we take DOB of 3% here? I know that boys will tell, girls will not tell their DOBs. Because boys will not tell their salary package, girl will not tell their DOBs, right? Happens. Natural, right? Agreed? Don't agree to this point. Mostly girls will never ever tell their DOB. Boys will never ever tell their package. Happens? Yes or no? Hey guys, थोड़ा झूठा ही बता दो, गलत ही बता दो, चलेगा. At least you can play with the year, right? Not with the month and day. You can play with the year, right? DOBs. Tell me 3 DOBs. Fast, guys. Quick. Tell me fast. That should be an MMDDYY.
27 June.
27 June. Nothing but 627. I can take 1988. Okay, next. Tell me. See, I'm taking the year only. You're not supposed to take a year. I'm taking a year. That's that. I'll take care. Don't worry. It should be date format, right? Date format is this. For 1 minute. Next is, tell me. Next.
617.
That is so strange. Okay, different format. US, PQR, United States. Date format. Not okay. It's okay. Next is
617.
617.
Yes.
Wow. Same month, huh? Great.
1987.
1986.
87.
Next, anything. Okay, let me take my date of birth. 9 July 9th. But if you guys are telling me your date, then I'll also not tell correct here, okay? Let's use this. Yeah. Okay, now see, I want to take here month. Let me start with day. Month and year. Okay. Now I want to take a day here, month here, and year here. See, if I'm asking DD for day, MM for month, year. If I want to know, okay, let me do this way only. Text value is this, comma, format text, DD. Format text is
DD.
DD. All day, yeah, month. From this date, I want to take a month, MM. From this date, I want to take a year.
Why?
Now, I want to take day. What was the day? What was the day for this date? Like Tuesday, Monday, when you born, right? When you born for this day, what was the day? In that case, I can say the text is this. I can apply triple D. How many D?
Triple.
Triple D. Can you see? If I want to take complete spelling of this, I can apply one more time D. What? Done. Same thing. Text. Value is this, comma, triple time M. Triple time M. If I say one more time M, what time M then? Complete spelling. Same thing if I say text of yes, comma, y. Done. Now, if you can tell me your correct year also, I can tell you that which day you born. See, 17 June 1987, Wednesday. 27 June 1988, Monday. Sorry, मैं Sunday को हुआ था क्या? But this is not my correct one, by the way. Good. So means 2 time D means date. Date means day. 3 time D means
Which day it is?
MON. 4 time D is complete spelling. Got it? If I'm using 3 time D, 3 time D means MON. If I'm putting one more time D, 4 time D, then spelling of the day, Monday. 3 time D means short form of the month, like APR, okay, DEC, NOM, November. Taking one more time, then complete. Now tell me, I will give you one date. I will give you one date. Date is like this format I want to use, and the date is this. Date is, let's suppose, 7, 9, 19, 90. Tell me, this format I want. This format. Tell me, how can I write the function? Text function. Tell me, value is this. Okay. Comma. Tell me, format text. Apply the logic, guys. If you can tell me the wrong answer also, it's accepted. Don't worry. But try it once at least. First, what I want?
DD.
Double quote DD.
DDSA. Double
Double
quote
quote
D.
DD. Then after it's DD, what is saying? Space. Apply space.
Space.
Then Saturday I want. How
Triple
many
D.
time D?
Triple D.
Triple D, 4 time D.
4 times.
Time.
4 time D, yes. Again, after the space, FEB I want. How many time D?
Not D.
1.
3
MM.
times.
MM.
After this MM, what is there?
Here.
Y.
Before
Comma is
temple.
there, right? Comma is also there, na?
Yeah. Comma.
Comma. Then space. Then
Y.
Y.
Times.
Double quote close, parenthesis close. But which date I use this one? Instead of that, I need to choose this one. It means K61, right? I will change this or select K61. From this date I want. See, 9th July. 9th Sunday, July 1995. This is very, very important, guys. This formula. They can ask you that, can you please take the month and day from this formula, from this date? Then you can apply the text function. Very, very important. But you need to remember this. Double time D, triple time D, 4 time D. Double time M, triple time M, 4 time M. Clear? All set? Good. Okay, that's it for today. Tomorrow we'll discuss rest of the functions. There are so many functions still left for text function. Once text function is completed, we move to date and time functions. These are date and time functions. Column A. Can you see the function names? There are so many functions. Then we'll go to logicals. True, false. If this number is less than equal to 40, fail, otherwise pass. If this number is greater than equal to 40, then pass, otherwise fail, vice versa. Information functions. Statistical mathematical functions. After this, we'll discuss about EMI table, subtotals, then lookup functions. Please practice. Now I'll not ask you to please practice only this formula. No, you have to practice each and every formula. If you practice, if you're not getting any answer, post the question in the group itself. We will monitoring it and we'll respond. All set? Good? Good to go?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Good to log off?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let's call it a day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.